First you need to select the image. After selecting the image, go to filters, and here you can see the blur gallery. In the blur gallery, go to path blur. First you need to select the path that you want to make it as a blur. Here I am selecting the path from here to here. Yeah. Here after selecting the path, you can just play with the speed. Like either you can decrease, you can increase. See here, while I am increasing and decreasing, you can see the change in blur. So based on your filter, you can just adjust it. For me, I feel this is better, and you can just save it. See here you can see the blur effect already. And go to filter again, and here go to camera roll filter, and here there is nothing much to change. You can go to effect, and here you just need to increase the grain here. See, while I am increasing, you can just see the difference. You can see this filter effect here. This is before, and this is after I apply the filters here. Now go to color gradient here. You have the gradient map. If you just go here, you have n number of colors here. Here you can just select one color, whichever you want to edit. Yeah. Here I'll go with this. Here the picture is not that clear. What I do is I just go to gradients. So after selecting, see here we have the different gradients here. Just move your cursor and you can see the difference. See, there are different gradients that you can see. So whichever it suits for you, you can just select it. Yeah, I feel this soft light is better for me, and here I'll just decrease some opacity. Yeah, that's it. And here there is one more color gradient that you need to know. So here what I'm doing is I'm just adding a new layer to it, and I'm just taking a color palette here. The same thing even you can do it here, but there will be a slight difference between this color gradient and choosing here. So here I'm just adding the color, and again just go to the gradients and just choose the gradient that you want. See, you can see the difference. So you can just see this, it is completely different. And let's try with one more example. So here I'm just taking one more example and just apply the same filters as I applied it before. Go to filters and go to blur gallery and select path blur, and just select the path. This is fine for me. And again you can just go to filter, go to camera raw filter, and make the grain as maximum. Next go to gradient and gradient map. As I said, you have n number of options, and you can select any gradient here. So here I am selecting this gradient, and I'll just try with this. Yeah, this looks better, and I'll just decrease the opacity a little. Yeah, perfect. And here you can just add few text. In Photoshop, the main thing is you just need to play with the layers. So here what I'm doing is I'm just taking this text layer and going back to the gradient layer. See, you can see the difference here. You You can see one more time, this is above the gradient layer and this is below the gradient layer. And just go to file and export here.